Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Now we coloring alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabet of B. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we coloring the alphabet of C. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. Kids, now we are using the color of blue. Now we coloring the alphabet of D. D for dog, D for dog. Subscribe to our channel. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. Now we coloring the alphabet of F. The next one is G. G for God, G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. The next one is I. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to I. Thank you so much for watching.